Thank you very much. You can hear me well?
Yes.
Very good. So let me share the presentation and I will get going soon. Great. So our vision is to create a world where the transportation and storage of batteries is safe, smart, and efficient by providing an innovative packaging solution. Pictures like these inspired us to do what we do. This is a recycling facility in Austria that almost burned down completely due to a malfunction of a battery last year. The underwriters' laboratories count about 16,000 incidents since 2010, with a very strong increase since 2020 due to electromobility and the increased use of especially lithium-ion batteries. I don't want to question the battery technology. Don't understand me wrong. So I'm really convinced that batteries are the future, also in Europe. But I believe that they have to be handled with special care due to the complex regulations, due to the risk of thermal runaway, the expensive handling, and the tedious documentation that comes with dangerous goods of Class 9A. We, as a packaging provider, put a lot of thought into the needs of a growing industry. Therefore, we identified that cell manufacturers and pack manufacturers have a very strong focus on cost when it comes to packaging. Recycling facilities focus on safety and compliance. End users, logistics providers value safety and convenience, and battery testing labs also want to monitor the state of the battery during storage. Governing bodies and insurance companies have a strong interest in reducing the risk and increasing safety, and also they want to foster digitization along the entire supply chain. To come up to all these needs, we developed the following portfolio. We have our Loki-Pack that comes in different sizes and different variants based on the size requirements you have and also on the ADR requirements. We can cover everything from low risk to high risk transportation. The Loki-Bag is our inner packaging that is made of our self-developed material that absorbs thermal energy and therefore reduces further the risk of thermal runaway. Lokitest stands for Tailored Engineering Solutions, which is tailor-made to a specific battery geometry and therefore is made to reduce costs and increase the efficiency for battery cell or module manufacturers in large scale. All our solutions are made for all modes of transportation and for storage, for all use cases of batteries from new to critically defective, and all of them can be enhanced with our digital assets enabling alerting, monitoring, and digitization of shipping documents. What makes us unique is our innovative material that is built into our inner packaging that absorbs a certain amount of thermal energy passively and therefore reduces the risk of thermal runaway. We enhance all our products with digital assets, enabling an alerting and also providing continuous condition monitoring in order to enable a quality inspection. Also, we have a systemic approach that combines customization and configuration, and therefore our products can be used for both transport and storage. So we can reduce the cost of warehousing, also of automation and of industrial cleaning. Our business model is a rental model where we want to rent the Loki-Pack for a broader audience and users and customers that have different requirements. We sell the Loki-Bag as an inner packaging and also as a standalone product to e-bike providers and also e-scooter providers. Lokitest is our project business where we work together with large customers that have a high demand of low-risk transportation. As I said, all our products can be enhanced and our digital assets are subscription-based. With this, we see a global market potential of reusable battery packaging of 5.2 billion euros. We will initially focus now on Europe, and what we can serve with our products is 756 million. With a realistic market share, we end up with 38 million by 2030. Behind all this is myself as a CEO and my brother as a COO, alongside with strong partners that range from university that helps us develop and test, and also automation providers. Currently, we're looking for investors that support us with a bridge investment that helps us then also to fund our seed financing that we're currently applying for. Also, we're looking for pilot customers, so feel free to reach out. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm curious if anyone has any questions.
Yeah, thank you, David, for your interesting presentation and overview that you gave. So, quick question to the audience, or just prepare your questions while I'll ask some. let me start with the first one. From the customer perspective and looking at the European market right now, who are most interested in your services right now? Who has the most demand on having a guidance service in terms of safety, but also in terms of the digital assets? Yeah, for the service that you provide.
We are in contact with a lot of companies that are responsible for transportation, for recycling especially. So it was brought to our attention that many of the customers or many of the logistics providers that are responsible for collecting the batteries that then go to the recycling facilities, of course, have to deal with different states of batteries. So they don't always know, are they new, are they used, are they broken, are they defective, critically defective? So there are a lot of different states the batteries can be in. And our platform suits them with a package or with a platform that fulfills all the requirements there can be. So this is one of the customer groups that we are dealing a lot of. But also on the other hand, we are in several projects involved where we're dealing with low-risk transportation, which is UN 38.3 certified batteries to large scale. Because this is also something that will be new in Europe. Today, a lot of the new batteries are transported with disposable packaging because they come in from Asia. But in Europe, there is a strong focus also on sustainability, on circularity, which is where the reusable packaging comes into play and where we can also provide them with a lot of benefits when it comes to automation. So the design of our industrial packaging is also made to decrease the cycle time. So for large-scale production, this is also a big benefit we can offer.
Okay, understand. I think if there's no question yet, I have one. There is one from Temple. So you raised your hand. You can answer the question if you like.
David, thank you very much for your nice presentation. I've just switched off my camera because of my internet ban, so I don't know whether it's capable of taking the whole picture, the whole images. But my question is, you talked about that most of the recycled materials that we use today in Europe, they come from Asia. My question to you is, your recycle, this is a Lokipack, are they also recyclable? Number one question. And the second question, if yes, of what material are these Lokipack made of?
So the packs are of course also recyclable. The outer shell is plastic material and the inner material is kind of our IP, so I cannot disclose it here. But all of the packaging is of course recyclable. But in fact, it is meant to live for at least 7 to 10 years. So it is not meant to be disposed every cycle. It is meant to serve for at least 7 to 10 years and support the circularity that we will build in Europe in the next couple of years.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so thank you. Thank you also for the good question. Yeah, sustainability is key. And I think therewith we need to head on. And I give the microphone back to you, Max.